Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Adobe Express video editor. To begin, simply navigate to the Adobe Express homepage and select the video editor option. You can choose to start a new project from scratch or pick a pre-designed template to kickstart your creativity. Familiarize yourself with the intuitive interface, which includes your timeline for arranging clips, the canvas for previewing, and various editing tools readily available. Once your project is open, mastering basic editing is straightforward. Easily trim and split your video clips directly on the timeline to achieve perfect timing for your narrative. Enhance your message by adding text overlays. You have hundreds of fonts and animation styles at your fingertips. Don't forget to incorporate background music or sound effects from the extensive, royalty-free audio library to set the right mood. To truly make your video stand out, explore the visual enhancement tools. Apply various filters and make precise adjustments to color and lighting, giving your footage a professional polish. Smoothly transition between different clips using a wide array of transition effects, ensuring a seamless flow. You can also add engaging graphic elements and animated stickers to inject personality and capture your audience's attention. Before finalizing, always preview your entire video in full screen to catch any last-minute adjustments. When you're satisfied, exporting is simple. You can download your finished project in high definition, typically up to 1080 pixels, ensuring excellent quality. Finally, share your masterpiece directly to your favorite social media platforms or save it to your device for future use, showcasing your creative work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.